Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Liz. If you're new here, please be sure to subscribe if you haven't already. I not too long ago got back from the gym. I have something to eat. Today is mainly like a cleaning day. I have a list of things on my to-do list that I need to do. So I need to finish cleaning. Well, I'm not start yet, so I need to clean. I need to finish my laundry. I have like one load in the washing machine that I need to pretty much like hang up and then put more loads in. And I need to clean the bathroom as well. I already take like the carpets out. I need to wash them, give there like a little scrub with a little bit of deep clean. I also need to add a few things to my Amazon storefront, so that's something that I can probably do like when I'm sitting now watching TV today. I really wanted to go to TK Maxx as well, but I don't think it's gonna happen. It's a very gloomy day today as well, and it's so cold. When I went to the gym earlier, it was just so cold. It was windy, so I was like, ugh. I was gonna go actually, and when I was gonna jump on the bus to go, because the walk is a little bit like longer and I done the workout, I was like, but just come at a walk again. Tell me why the bus man must stop the bus right at the bus stop, and the bus man drive off. Him drive off after him see me. So I was like, is he serious? And there was traffic as well, so him could have more than say. So I just use that as a sign. I'm gonna just come back home and say, okay, TK Maxx not happening today, so maybe I'll go tomorrow. I really need to get some candles. That's where I want to go. I finished these candles so quick, or maybe them just are burned too quick. But to be fair, like when I light them, I will have them probably burn throughout the whole time that I'm here. Say for example, it will be burning from like Sunday afternoon to like all the way in the night till I'm ready to go to bed, probably like after 10, after 11. So maybe that's why it burns so quick. But I need to get some more candles, and I wanted to get some house spray and stuff as well. So that's why I wanted to go to TK Maxx, but I'll probably just order some stuff online and try other stuff, to be fair. But yeah, I know Zara candles are really good, so I might go on Zara and get a few candles from there. So we'll see anyway. And I need to book / plan holiday. I'm thinking to do another solo trip, which I'm so excited about. So I need to go and do some research for that. I just haven't decided how I want to get there yet. So that's what I've been thinking about. So I gave myself a few days to kind of like decide, but I'm gonna plan around it because I know that I want to go. Leave in the comment section down below, where do you think I'm going? But yeah, my birthday is the end of this month, so I've decided that I just want to do like a solo trip, explore, and then come back, you know. And that's what I want to do, so that's what I'm going to do. So I've been trying to do a few research here and there about the place, what I can do, and how many days I need to like spend there. Let me know if you guys want to see a video as well as to how I kind of plan like my solo trips and stuff. Let me know if you want to see that. Treat me like corduroy, wear me out. Arguments, you air me out. Tripping about your whereabouts. I can't keep no conflict with you. What can we just rub it out? I don't want no sex with you. You know you my plug, and I can't shake this habit. No, I've been down, baby. Heavy reminiscing. Heavy on the missing. I wish it was different than what it was. I've been down, baby. Lost in the long and like this, what I would do to make you feel just like this. And if you wondered if I hate you, fuck you. Shitty of you to make me feel just like this. What I would do to make you feel just like this. Used to be too solid till you scramble me. Used to be your rider, you meant to handle me. Used to be non-violent till you ambush me. Now I'm at your violent with me. Now I'm at your silent treatment. That means no permission, no missionary getting boring. You switch positions. Hard to say your song, you don't ever listen. No, no. I've been down, baby. Heavy reminiscing. Heavy on the missing. You wish it was different than what it was. I've been down, baby. Lost in the night. Lost in no finding us. Wonder if I hate you. I do. Shitty of you to make me feel just like this. What I would do to make you feel just like this. And my bathroom. I'm pretty much finished cleaning. It's just my bathroom left for me to clean. I'm also washing like my third load of laundry, but the rack is like pretty much full. So the laundry that I'm washing now, I'm also drying them. This dryer is really good if you don't put too much stuff in there. So it's just the blacks that I'm washing now, and it's not that much. So by the time it like wash and dry, I should be able to just fold them and put them in the drawer. And then I'm gonna do the same thing for like the colored clothes as well. If it's not too much, like the ones that I'm probably gonna rewear next week, I'm just gonna wash them and then make them dry as well, type of thing, instead of overloading it and then I don't put them. So I'm gonna do my bathroom now, and I'm gonna take a shower straight after. But I'm thinking I should just do like a face mask and just have that one on me while I'm cleaning. I'm just gonna do like this detox one from Kiehl's that I really like. And when I tell you guys that procrastination is the devil, procrastination is really the devil, because when I was cleaning just now, I said, let me just challenge myself to just clean and don't pick up the phone, don't scroll, don't do anything else, just clean. And when I tell you that I finished cleaning so quick, like I finished cleaning so quick, procrastination is really the thief of time. And now I can pretty much finish like the whole cleaning thing and it not take like the whole day, just by not picking up the phone and scroll and do anything else, but set your mind to that task. Try it sometimes, because I'm definitely going to be trying this more. Just focus on the task and get it done, because you ended up doing it so much quicker than if you're like distracted on something else. Anyways, I just wanted to say that. Let's put on this face mask. Let's clean this bathroom quickly. Hopefully in like 5-10 minutes we can clean it. Because I just need to clean the shower, give it like a wipe, do the windows, do the gloss, and then clean the face basin. That shouldn't take me any long, and also the toilet as well. So yeah, let's do that. Good day, mama. Seem to take a step out, get some air now, let your edge out. Put some iceberg, you'll be heavy in my mind. Can you get the heck out? I need rest now, got me bummed out. You baby, baby, baby. I've been on my empty mindset. I should have kept from I worry that I wasted the best of me. Oh, you baby, you don't care. Not gonna make a nuisance, it's just urgent. Trying to make some little change, got me a war in my mind. Let it go away, think he was holding me. Choose the right, but it will break up in front of me. All the while, I wait my arm, I'm feeling a smile. Still wanna try, still believe in good days. Always inside, good days in my mind. I just got out the shower, cleaned the bathroom, did all of that. I'm gonna relax a little bit, yeah. But I'm gonna relax and do some stuff on my computer at the same time. I also need to make dinner. I'm thinking what I want to make. I'm either gonna make some curry chicken. Ooh, curry chicken and dumpling. A long time I don't have that. Or if I want to be lazy, then I can make like some tortillas, like some chicken tortillas. Maybe I'll do that. The only thing is I don't think I have any veg. Let's have a look. I don't think I have any veg. Because the thing is, every time I buy the veg, them just spoil so quick. So we'll see if I can buy them somewhere else. Yeah, I have like cucumber that I could use. But like, I would love to have some lettuce or something. I have some barbecue wings that I did the other day. I need to eat those because I've done them a while now. I'll have a think about that, but I'm getting really, really hungry. That's why I'm gonna eat this protein bar, because I also want to make sure that I'm keeping up with my protein intake and stuff. This one I saw it in the supermarket when I was shopping. I said, let me just try it. And I picked up like 3 of them. I picked up the white chocolate blondie, which is this flavor, and then I picked up like an orange packet one. That one is peanut butter and something. That one is good, but this one is so much better. I'm gonna finish having this. It's not much left, and then I'm gonna add a few bits to my Amazon storefront. So if there's anything at all that you probably see me recommend or anything, if I can find it on Amazon, then it will be there. The link is always down below in the description box, so make sure you check it out to see like any form of bits. So yeah, I'm gonna go through, add a few bits, most recent items, and yeah, I am finished adding stuff on my Amazon storefront for now. I added a few things in book recommendation, the fitness section, the home section. Really hungry now, so I need to go and get some food. So let's go and do that. I think I'm just gonna make the actually I think I'm just gonna make some noodles. I'm gonna make some noodles. I'm gonna cook the chicken tomorrow. I was gonna make the chicken tortilla like I told you guys, but literally just now I was like, you know what, let me just make some noodles. So I'm gonna do noodles and I'm gonna put eggs in there so I can get my protein, and I'm gonna add some cheese, and the cheese I'm gonna need to stop eat. So I remember I have that thing in the fridge that I told you guys, the chicken wings that I did, so I'm gonna eat that as well. I'm gonna have 3 wings on the side, and I'm probably gonna get a little bit hungry later on. Actually, I'm gonna eat this a little bit later on. Let me tell you what time it is. Wait, where's my phone? Alexa, what time is it?
It's 7:49 p.m.
Yeah.
Have a wonderful evening.
Thanks. So it's 7:49 p.m. So I'm gonna have the noodles now, and then I'm gonna have the 3 wings that I have left, maybe in the next like 1-2 hours or so, because I know I'm gonna get hungry after the noodles, even though I'm gonna add egg in it to kind of fill it up a little bit. I'm going to have the wings, and I have these, some mozzarella. Oh, cheesy. Listen, I can't help myself. So I'm gonna really try it out, but I'm not gonna buy these again. But they're so good. I'm gonna have these 6 mozzarella sticks I'm gonna have left in here, so I'm gonna put it in the oven, and then I'm gonna have that after I'm done eating the noodles. And that should bring me up to about 4 or 5 meals for the day. Wait, I had breakfast. I had like a protein shake, which is not really a meal, but I still get protein. I had the protein bar. Oh yeah, me eat Indian food, that are rice, chicken tikka masala. I have that one for lunch, and then I'm gonna eat the noodles now, and then after the noodles I know I'm gonna be hungry in the next 2 hours, so I'm gonna have the wings and mozzarella sticks, and that brings me up to about 6 meals. It's not gonna work for you. Nobody can beat me. No, no. I'm gonna sip on the straight when I'm fucked up. I should've known how to pick her. I'm gonna catch the rhythm while she push up against me. Ooh, is she tipsy? I had enough cover for 24. I beat you from across the room. Pretty little body dancing like gold. It's looking like it is very delicious, so try it before you judge. Okay, try it before you judge. It's so good. The egg is a little bit overdone. I like it to be a little bit runny. This is really good. Well, I have had my noodles and I'm feeling great, but I'm gonna leave you guys because I really need to know what happened next in this book, and I'm gonna be reading for the next couple of hours. So I'm gonna be signing off, which I should be editing this vlog, but we can do it after we read and see what happened in this book. So I'm gonna love you and leave you, and I'll be sure to catch you in the next one.